In this video, we will demonstrate how to secure a live sample on a glass support with low-melting agarose or phytogel. First, mix your sample with low-melting agarose and put a drop on the glass support. Center the sample as the agarose cools. Alternatively, you can place the sample on the glass support and put a drop or two of phytogel on top. Phytogel is clearer but solidifies much quicker than agarose, so you must move fast. Thanks for watching. To learn more about the Alpha3 light sheet microscope, visit olympus-lifescience.com.